Welcome to Lydia Hawk Designs. This is how I sew my hot and cold infinity sleeves. If you don't have the patterns, you can download them for free at lydiahawk.com. Just go to sewing in the menu and you'll see the patterns for both my hot and cold sleeves there. These are for specific cups. If you would like to develop your own pattern, I have a link for that tutorial in the description. Next, you will pick 2 sets of fabric you like. I want a reversible sleeve, and I'm choosing October themed fabric. Fold your fabric in half and cut both so they will comfortably fit around your cup. Also, cut the centermost area for the fleece interfacing. Iron the fleece interfacing to the wrong side of one of the pieces. Fold both sides right side facing and sew a 1/2 inch seam. Then, right sides facing, sew around the top of both pieces, making sure you don't catch the other side of your fabric as you sew. Turn your sleeve right side out, press the edges, and sew a top stitch. This part is tedious and strangely satisfying. Use the fleece interfacing as a guide for folding your edge. You can use pins or clips. I start with clips and then switch to pins once I'm ready to start sewing. Sew around the edge, again being careful not to accidentally catch the other side while you're sewing. As you can see, my pattern is pretty tall, so adjust as needed. Thank you for following this tutorial. Until next time.